In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Twitter or X Apple link on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, we need to open up X app. Then let's say you would like to copy that link to someone's Twitter profile, and in this case, first off, we need to head over to add that user's profile. Once it is done, double right here at 3 dots, and that's where we can easily find share option. If I double right here, then in this pop-up, I can choose any way to share this link. I can send it by messages by email, maybe Instagram, or some messenger such as Telegram and WhatsApp. And here also, we can top at the first option in this list, which is called copy link to profile. I can just stop right here, and then I can share it with anyone manually, or I can, let's say, save it to notes. If you would like to share the link to a particular tweet, then you need to search for that tweet. And then here down below, you can easily find this share option. And then in the same way, you can tap right here. Then we can choose the way to share this link. And also we can hit right here at copy. Link to copy to our clipboard. And after that, we'll be able to share it manually. If you would like to share link to your Twitter profile with someone, then first off, we need to go to our Twitter profile page. Stop right here at this icon and then hit add copy. Link to profile, or choose any other way you can use to share it with someone. And the same about link to your own tweets. Just stop right here and then select any method you would like to use to share it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button